Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel Rise Above with Bhagyashri. Well, we all want to have success in our lives. Well, success comes to those who dare and act. And yes, this is true. Actions, whatever we do, that actually plays a very important role in order to be successful in our lives. Well, we all know that life is not a bed of roses. We have to constantly keep on working hard to reach our goals. Well, in life, we must act, we must do something in our lives, not just to get success, but to make sure that our life is easier. Our life is full of progress. Our life is full of possibilities. Our life is full of good things, good opportunities. Our life is good. Be it anything, be it relationships, be it your career, be it your family, be it your love life or anything. So, I'm having, few things in my mind just to tell you which are important to get success in whatever we do. So one should be obsessed with the idea. We must have an idea, we must have a thought in our minds. Take up that one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let your brain, let your nerves, let your muscles, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. You must have an idea, you must know what you are going to do in your life, or you must know what your goal is. You must have idea about it. Well, the second thing which comes in my mind is that you are your best teacher. We all know that we have teachers in our schools, we have teachers in our colleges. Yes, they do show us the path to move ahead in life, to do better in our subjects. Second thing is like experience is also our teacher. But there are circumstances in life, there are situations when we have to take our own decision, we have to decide between good and bad, we have to do a lot of things alone. So at that point of time, you will be your best teacher. You have to motivate yourself, you will have to do self-motivation. Nobody else will come and tell you what your goal is, what you have to do. That is the only time when you have to motivate yourself. You have to do it all alone. So this is how you will be able to gain possibilities in your life. You have to grow from the inside out. No one else will teach you. Third thing is that you should think ahead of time. When thinking ahead of time is, I mean to say, you must be far-sighted. Each work has to pass through these stages. When you will try to do something which you have thought of, some people might oppose you. Obstacles may come into your path. You might not be accepted by other people. They might think that this idea is not good enough. But you should not give up. You must be far-sighted. You should know how you should be able to achieve that goal, whatever you have thought of. Okay, so by goals, I mean that goals should be good. It should not harm anybody else, but it should be for the welfare of your life as well, welfare of your family, welfare of society as well. So you should be far-sighted, because if you will be far-sighted, you will be able to know how you will be able to achieve your goal or achieve your dream, whatever you have thought of. The next thing I think is of building your character. Well, you might think of that character. How can we build our character? The reason why character needs to be built up, needs to be good, because character plays a very important role in building your life, in getting success, in facing situations. Because if you get success also through your hard work, you must be able to handle your success also. You must be able to utilize that success, for the best of everyone, for anything you do. So character is the foundation that will tell you between right and wrong, between what you should pick up, what your choices should be, whether you are preparing for success or you have achieved your success. So these are some of the very important things. You should be very clear regarding your thinking. So in the end, I would like to say that we are what our thought have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live, they travel far. So I hope it would have helped you. So keep on growing, keep on thinking positive, keep on working towards your goal, and definitely once you are consistent, it will definitely lead you to far. So take care of yourself, guys. We'll meet next again. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. And subscribe my channel if you like it.